Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you about my project that is e-commerce multi-vendor shopping system which I have developed using Spring Boot and React.js. So the technologies which I have used for the development of the project are Spring Boot REST APIs for the backend, and especially in Spring Boot I have used the latest version that is Spring Boot 3 and Spring Security 6, React.js for the front end, MySQL for the database, and for the project and the dependency management I have used Maven and Bootstrap for styling purpose. And the softwares which I have used for the development of the projects are HTS or Spring Tool Suite for the backend development, VS Code for the front end, and MySQL Workbench for the database. User modules present in the project. So the project basically contains four modules, that is administrator module, seller module, customer module, and the delivery module. Functional modules present in the project. So the very first and the important functional module is user authentication module. The second one is seller module. Next one is product category module. Then next one is product module, then cart module, order module, then after this delivery person module, order delivery module, and the product review module. So I have added multiple functionalities in each of the functional modules. We will see all the things in the later part of the video. Now let's see the basic overview of the project. So as we know, our project contains four modules, that is administrator module, seller module, delivery person module, and the customer module. So firstly, sellers will register and log in into the system, and after the login, sellers can add their delivery person so that if any customer makes the order for their product, they can assign the delivery person for that product delivery. So after the seller login, sellers can add their product into the system, and once they add the product, customers will be able to see the product detail along with the seller detail. So now basically customer will be able to see the product based on the category, also based on the product name, seller, category. Customer can search the product, and from here customer can add the products into the cart. But for adding the products into the cart, customer should be logged in into the system, otherwise it will not allow to add the product into the cart. So after the login, customer can add the products into the cart, and from here customer can order the product. And once customer makes the order, that particular seller whose product customer has ordered, that particular seller will be able to see the customer order, and from here customer can assign the delivery person for this order, and then delivery person will deliver the product to the customer, and also he can update the product delivery status as a delivered. And after ordering the product, customer can also add the product review. He can give the star out of 5, and also he can add his review, and in the end admin will be able to see the complete detail about the product, the sellers, delivery person, the customer order, each and everything customer will be able to see in his dashboard. So this was the basic overview of the project. Now let's see the complete project in detail. But before that, I would like to request you guys to please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because it really takes lots of time and efforts for creating such type of project. And also in this project, I have added lots of functionalities. Students can use this project for learning purpose. They can use this project to create their own project, and also this project is good for resume. So please do subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me to create more such type of project for you guys. Now without wasting any time, let's see the complete project in detail. For this, let's go to the other end. So this is our e-commerce backend project which I have made using Spring Boot 3. So as I have mentioned, I have used Maven for the project and the dependency management. So we can see the structure which is given by the Maven, and here is our form.xml file. In this file, we have added all the required dependencies, as we can see here. And as I have mentioned, I have used latest version of Spring Boot, that is Spring Boot 3.1.3. And as we can see here, I have created multiple packages here. Okay, controller package, where we have created all the REST APIs, DAO, DTO, exception, then filter for the JWT, interceptor, resources, services, utility. Basically, I have created multiple packages here, and in this project, I have implemented multiple Spring Boot topics such as Spring Security 6, JWT, exception handler, logger. For logger, I have used log4j2, Swagger, Spring Data JPA, and the Spring Interceptor. And after this, let's also see our front-end code. So let's open VS Code, and we can see here e-commerce front-end, and we can clearly see the React.js structure here. I have created multiple components here: cart component, category component, order component, product component, review component, user component. So multiple components basically I have created here. So now without wasting any time, let's run our both application. So firstly, let's run our backend application. So for that, right click on the project, click on run as Spring Boot app. So our Spring Boot application is running and we can clearly see Spring Boot version is 3.1.3, which is the latest version of Spring Boot. Okay, so we can see our e-commerce backend application is running fine and it is running on the port 8080. So now if our application is running fine, we can test the APIs. So here I have created Postman collection. Okay, so firstly, let's try to fetch all the product from here. So I will hit and pending request, and here we should be able to see request header interceptor. Actually, my system is slow, that's why it is taking time. So we can clearly see we have received the request for API product fetch all this API, and the status is 200. That means we have successfully fetched the response from the database. And if you see here, we can clearly see the response here. Okay, so in the similar way, if we want to test each and every API, we can uh, hit the APIs from the Postman collection which I have given, and the same thing I have added in the backend application. We can see here the Postman collection. Okay, and after this also I have configured the Swagger. So for that, I will simply copy this and hit this on browser. So here we should be able to see the complete APIs which I have created. So we can clearly see all the APIs here which I have added in the project. In the user controller, there are around 8 APIs, and in the product controller also there are multiple APIs. Then order controller, then category controller, cart controller, review controller. I think more than 30 APIs I have created in this project. So basically from here also we can test our APIs. Okay. Now let's run our React.js application. So for that I will simply run the command npm start. Now let our React.js application also run. Okay, so our React.js application is also running fine and we can see the output on the browser. Now since both our backend and frontend application is running fine, let's see the complete project in detail. So when customer will visit to the website for the very first time, he will be able to see this landing page, and in here he will be able to see multiple products which are available in the system, and in the navigation bar he will be getting multiple options such as categories, register seller, register customer, then login user. We will see each part in detail. So firstly let's see the categories. So by using categories, customer can search the product. So let's suppose I want to see shoes. So here we will be able to see only shoes product. Now if I want to fetch all the products with the category t-shirt, then he can see only t-shirt. Okay. Similarly, if customer wants to search the product by name, then also he can search the products. So if I write here shoes and search, so here we can see all the products with the shoes category that got fetched here. Okay, and if I write here gown, so we got one product here. If I write here shirt, okay, so basically customer can search the product by name also. Then after this, if you see in the product card, the category option here. Okay, so we can clearly see this is t-shirt, so this will come in the t-shirt category. Okay, similarly let's suppose I click on this shoes. Okay, so I will be able to see only shoes product here. So, and if I click on t-shirt, I will be able to see all the t-shirt product. Now let's suppose customer wants to buy this product. Okay, so he will click on the add to cart button. and in here he will be able to see the complete detail about that product, and below that he will be able to see the related product. Okay, and when he opens this product he will be able to see the details like product reviews also. Here he can clearly see the product review is 3.3 out of 5, and he can also see all the reviews given by other customers. Okay, and he can check other images also. Okay, and here is the product title, description, and this is the seller detail. Okay, the seller name and the seller contact. Okay, we can see the price here, and along with that we can also see the available products quantity. Okay, and from here customer can add the product into the cart. So let's try to add the cart. Okay, we have to fill this. Okay, let's try to add two quantity of this product, add to cart, but here it is not allowing us to add this product into the cart. It is telling please log in to buy the product. Okay, so we will log in later as a customer. Okay, but here if we see seller detail as name Flipkart. Okay, so if I click on the Flipkart, then I will be able to see all the products which are from this seller, that is Flipkart. Okay, so total 5 products are uploaded by this seller Flipkart. Okay, and here also I can search the product by the category. Let's suppose I want to see all the shoes from the seller Flipkart. Okay, so if I click on the shoes, I can clearly see here there are two shoes product which are uploaded by the Flipkart. Okay, so in the similar way, customer can search the product by seller also. We will see those things in the later part of the video, like add to cart, order, and all the thing. Okay, firstly let's go with the flow as I have shown in the overview part. So firstly I will register and log in as a admin.
Actually, in the backend, I have added the security for the admin register. Only admin has the authority to register another admin. Then the question is how we can log in as an admin. So for this, in the backend, I have used command liner code for inserting the admin user if it is not present in the database. So while the application startup, first it will check whether admin is present in the system or not. If it is not, then it will automatically insert one default admin in the system with the email ID demo admin. Okay, so I will use the same email ID for the admin register now. Select the user role as admin. I'll use the same email ID of the admin. We have to enter the correct password which we have set in the command liner. Login, logged in successful, and as soon as I logged in as an admin, we can see we have got multiple options in the navigation bar. The very first one is register admin. As I said, only admin has a authority to register another admin, correct? So I'll register another admin, admin 10, keep the password, register, admin registered, successful. Okay, now I will log out with this admin and will try to log in with the new created admin. Okay, so I'll enter the same email ID, login. So we can see now we are login with the new admin also. Then after this, the next part is add category. So as of now, in the category option, we can see only 3 categories, that is shoes, t-shirt, and women gown. Okay, and we can also see the products here, t-shirt, gown, then shoes here. Okay, now let's add another category. I'll add the category mobile, and I'll write here this will contain all the mobile products. Okay, add category, category added successful. And if I check in the category here, we can see now mobile category also got added here. But here if I search the product by using mobile, we'll not be able to see any product here because there are no products available with the category mobile. Okay, yeah, then after adding the category, we can also see all the categories which are added by him. Okay, I'll click on the all categories here, and in the all categories, total 4 categories are present here. So let's suppose I want to update the any category, then by clicking on the update button I can update that particular category. Okay, so I'll change to this mobile to mobiles. Okay, and let's make small this to capital B, and the small mobile to capital mobile. Update category, so we can clearly see here our category name got updated here, and also the description also got updated here. And if we see here, it's mobiles now. Then after adding the categories, admin can see all the sellers present in the system. So I'll click on the all sellers here, and till now there are only two sellers. The first name is Flipkart and the second one is Meesho. Okay, from here admin can delete any of the seller if he wants to, and if admin deletes any of the seller from here, then that particular sellers will get deactivated from the system, and also all the products added by that particular seller will get deactivated, and also all the delivery persons which are added by that seller, that will also get deactivated from the system. Okay, so we can see here Flipkart and Meesho, and if we see here all the delivery persons here, so we can see here the delivery persons details along with the seller detail. So this particular delivery person is from the this seller, and the second delivery person is from the Meesho seller. Okay, let's also see the total products present in the system. There are total 7 products available now. Okay, so I'll click on the add to cart. From the Meesho there are only 3 products. Okay, so I'll click on the all sellers, and if I delete this seller Meesho from the system, seller deactivated successful, and also it got disappeared from here. And if we check all delivery persons here, we can see the second delivery person got deleted from the system, which was from the Meesho seller. And if I go to the home page, here also we can see all the products which was added by the seller Meesho got deleted, and now it's only 4 product, previously it was 7 product. Admin can see all the customers who are registered in the system. Then after this, admin can also view all the products which was added by the sellers. Okay, so we can see here there are only 4 products now available in the system which are active actually, along with the seller detail. Okay, all 4 products are from the seller Flipkart. After this, admin can also view all the orders from all the customers from all the sellers actually. Okay, and for each order there will be a unique order ID. Okay, so admin can view all the orders as we can see here, and he will be able to see the complete detail actually. Okay, the product name, category, seller of this product, then price, quantity which was ordered by the customer, customer name, the order timing, the order status, whether it is delivered or pending or whatever. Okay, and here we can see the delivery person detail, delivery person contact, so that admin can or customer can know which delivery person will be delivering his product. Then delivery time also, which will be updated by the delivery person. Okay, we will see all this in the later part of the video. After this, admin can also search the products by the order ID. So I'll copy this and paste here and search here. So there are 2 orders with this order ID, and if he wants to fetch all the orders, then simply delete this and search. He will be able to see the complete order from all the customers. Okay, so now let's log out as an admin and let's log in as a seller to add the product. So I click on the logout button. So here we have got the option to register the seller. Okay, so I'll click on this for registering the seller, and I will enter the detail here. So let's add Amazon now. Amazon. I'll enter the email ID, password, contact number, then street, pin code, register user. So user registered successful, and now we can log in as the seller. So I will use the same email ID, that is Amazon. Enter the correct password, login successful. And as soon as we logged in as a seller, we can see we have got multiple options in the navigation bar. So the very first one is seller orders. So if I click on it, here I'll not be able to see any orders because just now I have registered as this seller and I have not added even a single product, so definitely this will be empty. And here the next option is view my products. Again, this will be also empty. Okay, we have to add the product. So from here we can add the product. Okay, the next option is view delivery persons. From here sellers can view all the delivery persons which was added by him, and from here he can register his delivery person. So firstly let's add one product. So I will add one mobile product, Apple iPhone 13. Just product price I will keep as 1 lakh. Let's select the image, second image, and the third image. Add product, product added successful. So now in the home page that particular product should be visible. So we can see our mobile got added here, and if seller wants to view his product, if I click here we can see one product which we have just now added. So now let's suppose if seller wants to update his product, he can simply click on the update button, and from here he can view the image firstly, okay, all the images which he has added, and also he can view the complete detail which he has added earlier. So let's delete this. Firstly let's update the detail here, make the quantity to 200, and we can also update the category, but I'll select the mobile only here, and let's make the price to 80,000. Okay, update the product, product updated successful. Okay, it was added, no issues. Our product got updated here. We can see the description, Apple iPhone 13. Okay, and the price is now 80,000, and I'll click on the add to cart here. So when customer will open this, he will be able to see the complete detail, the image, the description, title, and the seller detail also. So now we have Amazon. So if I click on here, then since only one product is added by the Amazon, so that's why we are able to see only one product, that is mobile. So now let's suppose if seller wants to update the image also, he can update the image also. So I'll select the image, update image, image updated successful. And if I go here, we can clearly see the product image got updated here. And also if seller wants to delete any of his product, then he can simply click on the delete button to delete the product, but as of now I'll not delete this. Then after this let's register one delivery person for this seller. Okay, so in the Amazon seller, let's add one delivery person. I'll add, give the name as Amazon delivery, paste here, enter the email ID, street, register user, and user registered successful. And if I click on the view deliveries, then that particular seller will be able to see the delivery person which he has added just now. Okay, so we can see the first name is Amazon delivery. Okay, and if he wants to delete this, seller can delete the delivery person at any time. Let's delete this. Okay, we can add that delivery person deactivated successful. And now let's register another Amazon delivery to and now again we can see Amazon delivery too. After this, seller can also view the seller orders. In the seller orders, seller will be able to see all the orders by the customer for his product. So now let's log out as a seller and let's log in as a customer to order some of the product. Log out. From here we can register as a customer. Okay, so let's register. I'll write customer 10, email ID customer 10, enter password, contact, street, city, pin code, register user, and user registered successful. And now I can log in as a customer also. Select the role as a customer, enter the same email ID, enter correct password, login, logged in successful. And here as soon as I log in as a customer, in the navigation bar, basically I will get two options, that is my cart and my orders. But as we know, we have just registered into the system, definitely this my cart and my order will be empty. Okay, so let's order some product. So I'll add this product to the cart. Okay, so from here I can add the quantity. So let's add one product to the cart. Add to cart, product added to cart successful. And in here in the my cart we can see I have added one product in the cart. Okay, the price we can see 8,000. Okay, and the product name is Apple iPhone 13, and this product is from the Amazon seller. Okay, so from here I can simply edit the quantity. Okay, now let's suppose I want to update this to 3, so I can simply update this. Okay, I can update the quantity, user cart updated successful, and here the quantity is 3. Okay, now let's suppose I decrease to 0. Okay, now it's 1. If I again click on the minus, then it will be 0. Definitely it will get disappeared from the my cart. Okay, so I'll add this product to cart again. Okay, add to cart, the stock is 200 now. Okay, product added to cart successful. So after editing the quantity, the next option is delete. Customer can delete the product at any time. So let's delete the product from the cart. Delete, user cart updated successful. Okay, so if customer clicks on the delete button, it will delete the complete product with all the quantity from the cart. Okay, again let's add the quantity to product added to the cart successful. So now we can order the product. Okay, but before that let's add some more product into the cart. So I will add this t-shirt. Okay, here I can see the product rating and the comments. Okay, all the reviews I can see here. Let's add this t-shirt to the cart, add to cart, and let's also add this shoe. Okay, one quantity, add to cart, product added to cart successful. And in here we can see the complete product which I have added into the cart. Okay, I can edit, I can delete the product from here, but now I will simply order the products. Okay, and in here total price I can see here. Okay, so if I click on the checkout here, it will redirect me to the payment details page. Okay, and this is dummy payment page, so I will enter anything here. And here we can see pay rupees 1,61,399 rupees. Okay, that is our total price in the cart. Pay rupees, then here order placed successful, check the status in the dashboard. Okay, so now I can click on the my orders, and here we can see we have ordered 3 products. And if we see here the product ID, since this 2 product is from the same seller, that is Flipkart, the order ID for these 2 product is same. Okay, but for this the third product, that is Apple iPhone 13, For this, the order ID is different because this is from the different sellers, that is Amazon. So Amazon seller will deliver this product to the customer and Flipkart will deliver this product to the customer. Okay, and here we can see the delivery person is pending, delivery contact pending, and the delivery time is also pending. Okay, and we can see the order time here. So now I will log out as a customer and I will log in as a seller so that I can see the customer orders. So firstly I will log in as a Flipkart, enter the correct password, login, logged in successful, and here I will click on the seller orders, and here seller will be able to see all the orders from the customer for his product. And so our customer name was customer 10, right, this one. Okay, so we know customer 10 has ordered this product, okay, this t-shirt and also this shoes. Okay, so by clicking on the assign delivery, seller can assign the delivery person for this order. Okay, so as of now the delivery person name, the delivery person mobile and the delivery status is in processing. Okay, because seller has not assigned delivery person for this product. Okay, so I'll click on the assign delivery, and here seller will be able to see the order ID for which he is assigning the delivery person, and from here he can view all his delivery persons. But since this seller has added only one delivery person, so he will be able to see only one delivery person here. So I will select this delivery person and I'll click on the assign, and now we can see for this customer 10 the delivery person got assigned. The delivery person name is Flipkart delivery and his contact also we can see here, but the delivery status is in pending because delivery person will update the delivery status. So after assigning the delivery person for the product delivery, seller can see here delivery assigned, but the delivery status is in processing. That means delivery person will update the delivery status for this product. Okay, and also the second point is, since the order ID was same for both the product, that is this t-shirt and for this shoe. Okay, so delivery person got assigned for both the product. Now I will log out as this seller and I will log in as that particular delivery person whom this seller has assigned the delivery. So I will log out as a seller and I will log in as a delivery person, enter the correct email ID for the Flipkart delivery person, enter the password here, login, logged in successful. So here as soon as delivery person logs into the system, in the navigation bar he will be able to see my delivery orders. So I'll click on the my delivery orders, and in here delivery person will be able to see all the orders, that is delivery orders, which is assigned to him by the seller. So I'll go down here, and in here we can clearly see this order ID. Okay, this two product was ordered by the customer 10. Okay, and this is assigned by the seller Flipkart to this delivery person for the product delivery. The delivery status is pending because delivery person has not updated the delivery status and the delivery time. Okay, delivery time we can see here is in processing. So this particular delivery person can update the delivery status based on the delivery status, and here delivery person will have the option to update the delivery status. So click on the update status, and in here he will be able to see some detail. Okay, that is order ID, and from here he can select the delivery date for the order. So let's select 8. After this, delivery person can select the delivery time, at what time he will deliver the product, by evening. So I'll click on the evening, and he can also select the delivery status. Now let's suppose the delivery status is in we can say on the way. So I'll select the on the way and will update the status. So now here we can see the delivery timing as this. Okay, that is on 8th evening, and this got updated for the both the product because the order ID was same for both the product. Okay, and now I can log out as a delivery person, and let's log in as that particular customer, and let's see whether the status got updated or not. login, logged in successful. I'll go to the my cart, and definitely this will be empty because I have ordered all the products. So in the my orders I can see the products which I have ordered, and here we can see for the seller Flipkart, since Flipkart seller has assigned the delivery person for these two products, we can clearly see the delivery person detail and the delivery time, that is 8th evening. So similarly Amazon seller can also assign the delivery person for this particular product, okay, and his delivery person can update the status too. So now the order status is on the way, but delivery person can update this to delivered also based on the actual status. So now I will log in as a seller again. I'll log in as a Flipkart. Login, logged in, and I will click on the seller orders, and in here seller can see the delivery status for this order, that is on the way. The delivery person has updated the status to on the way. Okay, so in the similar way, seller, customer or admin, everyone can track the delivery status. Okay, I will log in as an admin now. Enter the correct email. Login, logged in successful. I click on the all orders, and admin can see here this product was ordered by the customer 10. Okay, and along with the seller detail. Okay, this two product was from the Flipkart and this was from the Amazon. So in the similar way, admin, customer, seller and delivery person will be able to track the delivery order. Okay, so I will log out as a admin now, and again I will log in as a customer to add the product review. Login as a customer 10. I'll click on the add to cart here. Okay, now I will click on add review here. I will select the star as 5 and give good quality t-shirt, add review, product review added successful, and in here I can see good quality t-shirt, and this customer 10 has given the rating as 5 out of 5. Okay, and now the average rating is 3.8. So yeah, customer can add the product rating also. So yeah, this was the complete overview of the project. So I hope you guys liked each and every functionalities which I have added in this project. Students can use this project for the learning purpose. They can use this project for creating their own project, and also this project is best for the resume. And also I hope you guys liked the video too. If you did, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will motivate me to create more such type of project for you guys. We will meet soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.